After losing, he decided to express his feelings, and he wrote the angriest letter of his life.
Things quickly went downhill when the game became serious.
Okay, viewers, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, take a look at these videos. Today I prepared a brand new Stickman niche based on Napoleon. I completely redesigned the Stickman character in a Napoleon style, and as you can see, this niche looks absolutely amazing. All of these videos are highly unique, and the best part is that I created them using 100% free AI tools. So, first, go to YouTube and search for the channel Axon. As you can see, this channel is incredible. It has uploaded only 7 videos and has already gained around 27.6k subscribers, which is extremely impressive. The channel is monetized, and according to available estimates, 30.4k earning per month. This is very good. It is generating a significant amount of monthly revenue. Now, what makes this channel special is its content style. It uses Stickman-style animations, but every video tells a completely different story. You can see that some of the videos have gained millions of views, while others have reached hundreds of thousands of views within a very short period. The channel is only about a month old, yet it has managed to attract a huge audience and gain substantial growth. This proves that this niche has massive potential. If we create similar story-based animated videos, there is a strong possibility that our channel can also grow quickly and eventually become monetized. Now that you have analyzed the channel and its videos, let's move on to the next step. I have already prepared a powerful master prompt specifically for this Napoleon Stickman niche. This master prompt is designed to generate complete video scenes automatically. You can find it in the description, or you can simply leave a comment and I will provide it to you. All you need to do is copy the prompt and then open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, paste the prompt and click on the Generate button. Within a few moments, you will see that ChatGPT creates complete scene-by-scene prompts for your animation. Sometimes it may generate only a few scenes initially, so simply ask it to continue generating the remaining scenes until you have all the prompts you need. Once all the scenes are ready, copy the first scene prompt and move to the image generation stage. For image generation, I use Flow AI because it is completely free. I simply select the image model, paste the first prompt, and click Generate. After a short wait, the first image is ready. As you can see, the result is amazing, with excellent quality and strong character consistency. Next, I paste the second scene prompt, generate the image, and once again, the result looks fantastic. I repeat the same process for scenes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One by one, I paste every prompt and generate all the images. After waiting for the generation process to finish, all the final images are ready. Take a look at the results. The image quality is excellent, the character remains consistent throughout the story, and everything looks professional and visually appealing. Finally, I download all the generated images in 2K quality. Once the images are downloaded, we are ready to move on to the next 100% free AI tool, where we will create a professional English voiceover and complete the entire animation video workflow. Let's go ahead and continue with the next step. Alright everyone, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first tool I'm going to use is Digen AI, and honestly, it's one of my favorite AI video generation tools because it is completely free to use and provides 150 free credits every single day. First, open the website and select the RM 3.1 Turbo model. Once that's done, click on the image upload option and upload your first image. After uploading, enter your video prompt and simply click the Generate button. As you can see, the generation process has started, and the platform estimates that the video will be ready in about 3 minutes. After waiting for a few minutes, here is the final result. Take a look at this. My first video is now ready, and the quality is absolutely impressive. The animation looks smooth, professional, and highly engaging.
Things quickly went downhill when the game became serious.
Now, let's move on to the second image. I'll upload it, enter another prompt, and click Generate once again. After a short wait, the second video is also ready.
After losing, he decided to express his feelings, and he wrote the angriest letter of his life.
Just look at the quality of this output. The motion, details, and overall presentation are fantastic. The results speak for themselves, and this is exactly why AI video generation has become so powerful and accessible. At this point, I have successfully created 2 high-quality videos using this tool, and the results are truly amazing. Now, let's move on to the next tool, Flow AI. Inside Flow AI, I'll select the VO31 model and start uploading my images one by one. For each image, I'll provide a suitable video prompt and generate the animation. In this example, I have uploaded 4 different images and submitted prompts for all of them. As you can see, the videos are currently being generated. If you've used Flow AI before, you already know how impressive its outputs can be. The quality is consistently high, the animations look natural, and the results are often unique and visually appealing. That's exactly why I highly recommend using Flow AI for your projects. Now that the video generation process has started, let's move on to the final step. Simply open CapCut. After launching the application, import all of the AI-generated video clips into your project. Once all the clips are uploaded, drag them onto the timeline and arrange them in the correct sequence. Next, select all of the clips together. If there is any watermark, logo, or unwanted element visible on the screen, you can easily remove it by using the crop or scale options. After making those adjustments, preview your entire project and check whether any additional edits are needed. You can trim clips, adjust timing, add transitions, or make any final improvements to enhance the overall quality of your video. As you can see, everything is looking great, and all of my video clips are now ready. Another great thing is that you can choose any aspect ratio according to your needs. For this tutorial, I selected the 9:16 ratio simply for demonstration purposes. However, if you want to create content for YouTube in 16:9 format, you can easily choose that as well. Now that everything is complete, simply click on the export button and export your video in the highest quality settings available.
After losing, he decided to express his feelings, and he wrote the angriest letter of his life.
Things quickly went downhill when the game became serious.
Then he discovered something unusual. For a brief moment, everything seemed perfect. He thought no.
And there you go. My final video is now ready. Take a look at the result. The animation quality looks fantastic, the scenes flow smoothly, and the overall output is highly engaging. It's amazing to see how a complete Stickman viral niche video can be created using entirely free AI tools. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and learned something valuable from it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss future tutorials, AI tools, and new viral niche ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.